Hola amigos! Today we're going to look at how to create a Google Form quiz more efficiently and how to grade them faster. Here we go. So the very first thing I'm going to do is in my drive, I'm going to click on New Google Form. And before I do anything else, I'm going to click on this little gear here and choose Quizzes. This is going to make my Google Form a quiz that can auto-grade. If I know the whole thing is going to be multiple choice with one correct answer, I can click that the students will get their grade immediately after submission. But if I know there's going to be something I need to review, I'm going to change it so that they don't get their grade right away. And then I click Save. After that, I want to click on these three dots in the corner and go to Preferences. In Preferences, I'm going to check this box here, Default Quiz Point Value, and change it to 1 so that from this point forward, every question I create is going to automatically be worth 1 point. Now from here, I'm just going to create my Google form like I normally would. And I'm not going to go into that right now, but if you want me to teach you how, just leave a note in the comments and I'll make another video. What I want to focus on today is how to grade the forms more quickly. So here's an example. This was an exit slip with 4 questions. Keep in mind, you always want to ask the students for their full name and their class period. This makes the grading part much easier at the end. When you're ready to grade, at the top, it says responses, and you can see 41 students have replied to this exit slip. So I can click on it, and there's a bunch of different views that I have. I can get a summary of the results, I can look at it by question, or I can look at it by individual. This takes forever. You could go through and grade every kid, but it takes way too much time. So instead, what you want to do is click on this little logo here for a spreadsheet. Now I have a spreadsheet of all of their results, and I blacked out their email and their name just for the purposes of this video. But you can see that everything is kind of small and jumbled here. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to select all. On a Mac, that is Command A. On a PC, it's Control A. This button right here is text wrapping. Click on it and choose the one in the middle. And now everyone's results are much easier to read. And I can go through really fast and grade. Now, let's say I want to sort this information by class period or alphabetically so that I can easily put it into my gradebook. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this top column here by clicking on the number for the row. And I'm going to go View, Freeze, One Row. So now if I'm scrolling down, see how that row doesn't move, but all the other information does. So I can still see the labels of each column. Okay, so now I want to sort by class so that these are all in order. I'm going to click on this column. I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose sort this Z to A. Here are all my students in my C section. Let's say I want to sort by more than one column. I want to see the class in order and I want it alphabetized. I made a copy of the spreadsheet so I could take out the students' names and show you what that's going to look like. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of the data that I have, all of their answers, and I'm going to go to Data, Sort Range. From here, their class period was column E. So I'm going to start sorting by column E, A to Z. Then I'm going to add another column, and their names were column D. So I'm going to sort by that. Now you can see all the students in my B section are numerically or alphabetically in order. And so when I go into my gradebook, I have everything super easy to see and input. I hope that helps and saves you lots of time. Happy teaching. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe because I put out new videos almost every Wednesday. You can also click to sign up for my newsletter for Spanish teachers, which is linked in the description. Have a great day.